Today we're going to go over UTM parameters and a solution that we did for our clients' young fashion show. Basically, they wanted to have their UTM parameters for tracking all their marketing solutions. They do marketing through influencers who share their website on social media. And inside of their website, they have multiple CRM forms where customers or potential customers, potential clients can fill out those CRM forms, and that will create a deal inside of their Bitrix24 portal. So we're going to go over the UTM parameters first, and then we're going to do an example. Basically, to create a UTM tags is very simple. You're going to use the baseline as you would for your regular website URL. So in this case, it's a www.youngfashionshow.com. And then we're going to add the UTM tags at the end of this URL. Keep in mind that this isn't going to change the website at all. It's going to be the same website. The only thing that changes is the added UTM tags on this side, which is the complete URL that you're going to be sharing, or the client is going to be sharing with the influencers so that they can share on their applications, different applications. So to create UTM parameters, we're going to first have the UTM source tag, the medium, the campaign, and the content tag. So the source is the platform or application where the traffic is coming from. So this could be Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, etc. The medium is going to be the type of traffic. So for example, if you're sharing this with an influencer, or if you're sharing this on a story in Facebook and Instagram, if you're sharing this on a specific post or bio, etc. For the campaign, you can create the name of your campaign, of course. This is just an example, for example, launch 2025 or promo, etc. And then the content, this one is optional, but you can use it to identify the specific influencer or the specific post where you're sharing this website link. So to build it, we're going to add a question mark first. This is very important to add the question mark before the first tag only. So question mark, and then we have our first tag, which is source. And then for the rest of the tags, we're going to add the and symbol between each one, as shown here. Okay, so once we're ready, we're going to copy this website link, and we're going to open it so that we can show you the example. So here our script, what it does is it's going to copy the UTM tags that we have here on the original website link into the CRM form link, and I'll show you in just a minute. So if I click on register now, I'm redirected to another page where I'm seeing my CRM form, and as you can see, the UTM tags were actually copied into this URL as well. So that's going to let Bitrix24 have the tags stored in the corresponding CRM item. In this particular case, it's going to be a deal. Very important to note that there's nothing additional that you have to set up in Bitrix24 for your CRM forms to collect the UTM parameters. This is an automatic process that is by default coming with the CRM forms and with Bitrix24. So we're going to go ahead and fill this out. Okay, we finished filling everything out. We click send. We just missed here a field. We click send. Okay, so our CRM form successfully created a deal. And to find the UTM parameters, we can scroll down and have the UTM parameters shown here. Remember, if you don't see them, you can select a field, look for UTM parameters, and they will show up. In this case, we've created a particular section for the client to store the UTM parameters, but you can store them anywhere else that you'd like. So here we're going to be able to track where this deal is actually coming from specifically. So this is very useful for marketing and for tracking all of your deals or leads.